All right, here we are, last day of the new year.
I'm gonna show you how it's done.
And we are heading offshore. It is 1 to 2 foot seas today. We got a little bit of bait. We're gonna try to catch some more.
About 50, 60 degrees right now.
It's a little chilly. Beautiful day. Into our troll and we got a hit already. Pat's on. Let's see what we got.
One good pull already.
Very nice. That was a good run. Let's see what we got. All right, I got the gaff ready. Oh, sweet. Watch that thing, Pat. Take your time, take your time. Let him go, let him go. If he wants to go, let him go. Sweet. Beautiful king. There we go. Alright, I want to get him on film for you. Comment from Captain Mako here.
That was one hell of a king.
Yeah.
I'm guessing at 25 pounds maybe?
I'd say 20, 25 pounds, somewhere around there.
And we weren't sure what it was at the beginning. It stayed down for a while, then got along the boat, freaked him out a little bit, and then he headed down again. So.
Climbing up the top sails, I lost my leg.
But you can see a beautiful day. We got a troll going. Got a couple of valleys. Gorgeous day. Probably a 2 to 3 foot chop, so not too bad. Actually, that second hit came right next to a big old turtle. So we're going to change Captain Mako's name to Turtle Man. Well, thanks to some scouting on Patrick's behalf. He saw some birds, and we went over and investigated, and we found a pod of dolphins. There's probably about 5 or 6 dolphins around the boat. We're trying to get them in. We got one hook. We're trying to get a second one on the rod.
All right, we're on them. We're hot today. We're hot today. We came across a pod of dolphin. William's onto a dolphin right now. Or no, that's not a dolphin. That's a king.
Another king. Sweet.
We had a good jump a moment ago, and we're on a pod of about 6, 7 dolphin with the cobia with them. I'm gonna have to get him back here. Oh no, that's a wahoo! Fucking wahoo! Woohoo! All right, I'm gonna drop the camera here so we can get this thing in the boat. All right, nice job, bro.
All right, he's in the boat. He's in the boat.
We got a who in the boat.
Nice fucking who, brother.
Oh man,
That's a beautiful fish right there.
we've seen everything in the ocean today.
Let's see if I can get him up here.
Watch out for the front end of those. That's it, brother. Hold on, I gotta back up. Oh man.
Who, brother?
Hold him lengthwise. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Let me get you a couple pictures here.
Right on.
That's awesome. We can't stay off the fish. We couldn't even drop the line back, and William's on again. I promise I'll pay you for gas if you let me reel the next one in.
I don't need no stinking gas money.
I'm gonna bump it back here a little bit. What do you got on there?
I don't know yet. It's either a king or a who. King.
Kingfish.
Nice. Woo! Look at those king guys. Boy, you pull up smokers.
Oh man, can you believe this day? We got an offshore slam already. Kingfish, Wahoo, and Dolphin in the box on ice. You tell me when you want me to put this down.
Gaff it.
All right.
Over and out.
I'm a sailor pig, and I lost my leg. Climbing up the top sails, I lost my leg.
Pat's on. Nice, nice. Way to go, Pat. Sweet.
And get another line in the water.
Your best shot is that 3-line piece like that. They were more interested in that. That live bait is a little bit too big.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep him on. Look up there, Mr. Pat.
Oh, look at that one all rusted out.
Sweet.
Hold on.
Oh, he's gonna turn on you and bite your ass. He's gonna bite your ass. Oh, I don't have to fucking rush you to the hospital. Watch him, they can turn on you. Easy, easy, easy. Watch him, attaboy. Slide up towards his head. Put him on the cooler, or on the ground. Hey, slide up towards his head. Get a hold of his head. Yeah. Way up, further up. You wuss! What the? Yeah, get rid of his ass before he bites you. The Gliga is on again, aka Captain Mako. You the Dolphin?
Yeah.
Sweet!
Thanks. Unless I'm thinking your lure.
No, everything's in.
No, that's all. No, that's all.
Holy shit! Easy, brother. Easy, brother. Another king?
Yeah.
Nice. Take your time, man. He's still really green. Nice. That's a barracuda.
Oh, yeah.
Big barracuda. That ain't no damn kingfish. That's a big old barracuda. Look at him. He's beautiful. What's up, buddy? Sweet. Hold on. We'll get it. Well, we made it back to the dock. We had a good day.
Great day.
Just gonna take a couple of pictures of the catch. Back on the dock here. Here we got